Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you October monthly 2020, the monthly forecast for all of you based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on your moon sign. You can take this particular monthly forecast according to ascendant, according to Lagna sign, as well as according to your moon sign for all of you. Going to talk about Virgo for this particular month of October. Virgo. Transit for Virgo. Transit of Mercury in second house. Virgo, 22nd September till 28th November. When the Mercury transiting in second house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. So transit of Mercury in second house from your moon sign. Transit of Mercury in second house from your moon sign. This time period, during this particular phase of period when the Mercury is transiting in second house from your moon sign, and may I say that this particular signifies financial gain, growth of income, especially if you are dealing with precious stones, jewelry, if you are a professional banker, if you are a financial consultant, if you're a chartered accountant. When the Mercury is transiting in your second house, if you're an IT consultant, you'll make a lot of money through your knowledgeability and skill set. If you're a professional banker, if you're a chartered accountant, if you're working in a financial sector, if you're a salesman, you'll make closing a lot of deals. When the Mercury is transiting in second house. And this particular period also brings in happiness to you in the form of success in your learning and attaining your knowledgeability and skill set. With your knowledgeability and skill set, you will achieve your rising. And this time period bring a company of good people who give you opportunity to achieve dignified status, prestige and honor. And this particular period when the Mercury is transiting in second house, you have some sort of a, may I say that, this time period you have to be very control of your finances regarding your flow of income. You have to be watch your dealing with people, mingling people. This particular period, may I say that you have to be extra cautious and careful when you're dealing or making any financial deal. And don't blind faith on anybody when it comes to dealing with anybody, whether you're dear friend or stranger. Don't blind faith on anybody. Be careful. Transit of Venus for Virgo in 12th house. With the Venus transiting in 12th house, from 28th September till 23rd October. With the Venus transiting in 12th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 12th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting 12th house from your moon sign, this particular time period gives you a mixed bag of positive and negative. On the one hand, you'll achieve financial gain. On the other hand, you'll achieve financial losses, but not a financial loss, just huge expenditure on luxuries or lifestyle, but with your own will. But that's not a financial loss. Venus in 12th house gives you expenditure, but that expenditure you'll do it with your own will. You'll travel around, you'll enjoy thoroughly. And may I say that, beware of cheating, deception and fraud. But people can try to cheat you because they think that you'll have a lot of money. Venus transiting in 12th house will give you enjoyment. If you're unmarried, you'll enjoy thoroughly and you'll enjoy companionship. Friends will be very supportive to you, will give you a lot of cooperation, understanding. And beware of sharp weapons and doubtful people. If you're involved in any project and you're taking extra care, beware of any cheating, deception, fraud and financial losses, or something valuable can be lost. Transit of Mars in 7th house, 4th October till 24th December. The Mars is transiting in 7th house. Virgo, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 7th house from your moon sign. The Mars transiting in 7th house from your moon sign. This is bringing trying time for you, mostly in matter of health, relationship. You may suffer from excess mental worry when the Mars is transiting 7th house from your moon sign due to health problem to yourself, your family members and your nearest or dearest or your life partner. You'll have some sort of issues. You're likely to feel fatigued and susceptible to developing eye discomfort, stomach problem, discomfort in your chest. When the Mars is transiting 7th house, you have to take care of your partner's health. And you and your partner are likely to develop some sort of a deep mental anxiety during this phase of time. Most of you likely to develop enmity with some noble people, noble person, when the Mars is transiting 7th house. Avoid any kind of misunderstanding that may crop up during hypothetical differences in opinion between you and your spouse. If not handled tactfully, this may lead to a big argument or conflict between you two of you. Make peace with your friends and dear one. You're also likely to be put anguished by your kinship. Watch your behavior. You're also susceptible to using bad words, being wrathful toward your sibling or family. Your finances would need a tight watch as well. Some of you may lose some of your riches due to your unnecessary indulgence in competition. Curtail your spending spree and ensure a steady incoming of good food, lifestyle during this phase of time. Transit of Sun in second house, 17th October till 16th November. When the Sun is transiting in second house, Virgo, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in second house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting in second house from your moon sign, is proved to be financially full of challenges for you. This particular period portends absence of expected result or profit in trade or decline in wealth or flow of income. When the Sun is transiting in second house from your moon sign, if you're dealing land, property, car trading, or finances, this period brings some setbacks. When the Sun is transiting in second house from your moon sign, when you are more susceptible to fear than usual, you feel at risk being cheated or experience anxiety for no apparent reason at all. When the Sun is transiting second house, as a result, you find it difficult to handle ordinary affairs of your life as smoothly you would otherwise do. You find yourself not so happy and getting irritated very easily, even at your nearest and dearest one. You feel less compassionate and flexible than usual. If you're susceptible to headache or problem with your eyes, it's a time where the symptom may surface. You have to taking extra care of yourself. With the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out yourself. You must sort out your Venus, Mars, Saturn, for prevention of any kind of professional losses or financial losses, or bad debts or decline in income, and health, happiness, harmony. You can acquire the full monthly horoscope report. Why don't you visit the website and acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the whole report, and make sure you must sort out your Venus, Mars and Saturn in this coming month of October 2020. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.